Hey everyone, this is 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with your Weather Now update on this Monday night. Things are pretty quiet weather-wise. We're chilly. It's getting cold out there. The winds are still, whipping from time to time out of the northwest, so it's making for a very cold night ahead. Looking outside of Newport, things are okay here. Quiet weather is expected to continue overnight. Same deal here in Providence from our East Providence camera. Quiet weather, but chilly, so bundle up if you're heading on out later this evening for any, shopping, or if you're going out tomorrow morning early in the day. Certainly going to be a chilly one as well. Winds won't be as much of a factor for Tuesday as they were on Monday, but you get the idea. Still bundle up if you're heading on out. Temperatures across the region in the 30s, backing off into the upper 20s by tomorrow morning. Wind chills back into the 20s. They'll be back into the teens also by tomorrow morning, so a very cold start to your Tuesday. Wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour, even some spots getting up to near 30, like out on Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket and out on the Cape. So overall, we're looking at a pretty blustery night ahead across the area. Tuesday morning's forecast, plenty of sunshine, clear and cold. Temperatures again starting out in the 20s, rising to around 40 degrees for the afternoon. And again, those winds won't be as strong as they were today. Tuesday afternoon, again, topping out near 40, and then we'll look at our temperatures drop steadily as we go through the evening hours. So this is the temperature forecast. Now, this is in motion. It's going through the week. That's why you can see the colors kind of fluctuating and moving around. And we stopped it here at Thursday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we jumped ahead a few days. And you can see here why, because we have some very cold air off to our west. And actually, the pinks and the purples, that's single digits. That's below zero for air temperatures. Now, notice this line in the center part of your screen near Chicago, just west of Chicago, down through Arkansas, Illinois, into Texas. That's actually a very strong cold front. Now, that's because the temperatures, the gradient is being picked up by this model. So that's why it's so defined, which is actually pretty cool to see. But it's separating the, modestly cold air versus the frigid air. And that's what we're looking at as we go into later on in the week. Our temperatures will actually rise into the 50s on Friday. So I'm going to play this out for you. We're going to go, again, ahead in time into Friday, 2 p.m. Our temperature in southern New England is in the 50s, but look what's off to the west. Very cold air, and at least a piece of that frigid air is going to make its way into New England in time for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and then even into the next, the following week. So that is what we're looking at, and we're not looking at any kind of snow with this, but we're going to be seeing some unsettled weather with this temperature gradient being a factor. So let's take a look at the forecast outlook. This is the storm system that we're watching as we go into the end of the week again. This one looks to be a rain event for us, wind as well, mild temperatures, travel impacts likely, wind gusts upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour with 1 to 3 inches of rain. It's going to be quite a stormy day on Friday, so plan accordingly if you're traveling. My advice would be to either hold off until Saturday if you could, or try to leave a little bit earlier on Thursday. And you can see here, once that cold front comes through, again, it's a potent one. It'll be windy. It's going to really knock down those temperatures just in time for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Thankfully, though, the weather looks quiet for both days, just cold and dry. So that's what we're looking at for the rest of the week. Of course, it's a very big travel week for many. So just keep these things in mind. And, of course, keep checking back for further updates on that storm, including what we're expecting and also the potential timing of all the impacts. So that's all I have for now. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of your night.